Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add the green screen effect onto Instagram Reels. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do is head over to your Instagram application, open that up, and you just want to go over to your profile page right here. Once you're on your profile page, you want to go over and click the plus button on beside your picture, just in the top left. And then once you're on here, you just want to slide over to Reels. Once you're on Reels, you just want to click on the little effects option, so the little smiley face. And then once you're on here, you just want to scroll through here until you find your green screen filter. So I have mine right here. If you don't have this on your screen, you just want to go over to Browse Effects, open that up, and then just search for green screen. And then just click on return, and then you'll see a couple different options here for you to add. So you just want to click on that video and then just quickly add it to your camera roll by clicking the download button. And then you're able to exit back out and then go back to your story and just put that green screen effect on your Reels video, just like this. And then you're able to go ahead and add media and put whatever background you would like. And then when you switch the camera onto yourself or put anything in the image, it will then go ahead of this green screen and this will be your background. You could also put videos as well. It looks really, really cool, just like this. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to get the green screen filter effect on your Instagram Reels. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.